Hello everyone, welcome back to BIMMERHEAD. These pictures you see now are from an ad on Facebook Marketplace that got my attention. The price of this car was so low that I couldn't stop reading the description. It was saying how much new stuff is on this car and he is selling it just because of the head gasket being gone. So I gave him a call. After being on the phone call with the owner for about 20 minutes, and since he lives only 20 miles away, I've decided to go ahead and have a look myself. This BMW was in rough conditions, as you can see, but the price was too good, and since I love the e46 platform, I couldn't say no. We agreed on the price and bought the car. In this short video you can see that the car needs more than just the head gasket replaced. It is very dirty inside and out, there are some bits missing, the boot lid is dented, and on top of all that it has rust. Yeah, my favorite kind of car. The engine is not a 3-liter inline 6 like you might find in United States. Instead, it's equipped with a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine that produces lots of horsepower, 143 to be exact. This is considered a really good option in Romania because here you have to pay more for your insurance and taxes if your car has a 2.5 or a 3-liter engine. And you can forget about the 4 or 5 liters engines. The amount of money you would pay in that case is ridiculous, so yes, 2-liter is a good option here. There are also other good parts to this car, like the M-Tech package, and that consists of sport bumpers front and back, different side skirts, 18-inch wheels, missing in this case, bucket seats, sport steering wheel, black headliner, and sportier suspension, so it looks better and handles better. Now you might think, why do you need better handling for only 143 horsepower, right? But I have to say, it is a lot of fun driving one of these. You can redline each gear and you barely break the speed limit. You might think I'm crazy, but sometimes underpowered cars can be a lot of fun. Now the plan for this car is to first get the head gasket situation sorted and then get the ugly off of it. The budget is tight on this one if I want to make any profit. In good working conditions they can go for up to 3.5 grand, and since I paid only 800 for this, I will be making a profit for sure if I do the work myself. In the next video I will be working under the hood and hopefully I can get this thing running and driving soon. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.